Avery, did you play with all these toys today? Avery. Huh? Oh. Did you make a mess? Yeah. Are you gonna pick it up?
No.
Why not? Why not?
Hey.
Are you busy?
I'm stuck.
What do you say?
Daddy butts.
Alright.
I like this.
Hi, honey. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Avery, what are you going to do tomorrow? Hey, what are you going to do tomorrow? No, you're not a baby. You can go see the zoo? What's at the zoo?
Elmo.
Which ones? Which animals are at the zoo? Which animals are at the zoo? Can you say? You can't say, can you? Alright. Wow, look at this mess you made, buddy. How did you make such a big mess?
I'll play basketball downstairs.
Okay. I think it's football. We can go play. Can you say football?
Football!
Alright.
Then.
I'm going to throw it down the stairs. That was a good toss.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Alright. Adeline, we'll try one more time. Can you say bye-bye? Adeline, please, we're running out of time. You can say it, can't you? Can you say bye-bye?
Oh, hey!
Avery, you say bye.